Be sure to welcome, subscribe, comments, or be sure to share or like or thumbs down.
Thumbs up!
I mean, thumbs up and dislike or something.
Y'all better not thumbs down. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on? Well, y'all, I'm actually starting this vlog in the middle of the day. So, welcome to my channel. I am Michelette and this is Immaculate Life. I hope you all are doing well and, of course, staying safe. So, y'all, as you all can see, I had been doing a lot of errands and doing a lot of things around the house. I washed my blanket. I made a cake because I had a taste for a cake. And I did, what else did I do? I did something else. Oh, and I had to fluff up my sofa, which is what I did, and I went ahead and took a shower. I'm dressed. I'm about to run some errands real quick, and I just have on, I'm finally wearing my white hat, y'all. I just kind of threw it on today, and I have on my gold earrings, this shirt came from H&M. It's like a light yellow, and I have on some green pants, something kind of casual that I threw on, and I have on my white Nike slides. So I'm gonna turn you all around. I'm gonna turn you all around so y'all can see. So this is what I'm wearing. So anyway, I am about to run errands, and I have to, what else was something else? Oh, I need to edit today. So when I get a chance, when I get back, I'm not gonna be going like the house long, probably like an hour. What is that? No, it's a bug on my ceiling. I'm about to lose it. Your niece is waiting for you. Mira, you know I'm recording you.
You recording me?
And you was looking, you was like. Look out here, y'all. I had a long day. Got 2 sets of box braids. Knotless braids, so I had to get my coffee. Got my coffee. Let's work. Hold it for me.
Yes, ma'am.
It's on.
It's on? Hey.
Why did the thing on like that?
What?
I don't know why they leave the lights on.
Yeah, I thought you were.
That's crazy. Since we're the only ones in here, I usually lock the door, y'all. So, yeah. Let's get started, y'all. And we are done. Pay or Zelle. Good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. So today is Saturday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday. I was kind of busy yesterday with trying to get myself together because my grandbaby is coming to stay for the next 4 days. So I'm going to be on grandma duty. So I had to make sure that we had some of the things that he needs and he likes to eat. Actually, he's being dropped off at the salon today. So I can't wait to see him. I don't know what this weekend gonna look like, but I tell you what, I already know I'm prepared for him to put it on me. I am waiting for Cosmopro to open because I need to get some developer and some hair color for my client this morning. And I'm going to be running about 10 minutes behind. It's actually 7:30. And they don't open till 8, so I'm here a little earlier so that I could go in and come out. I know exactly what I need. And then I actually have 2 clients today. I have a color client and I have a braid client. So I just got finished eating a grilled cheese sandwich from Starbucks. I got my coffee. I usually get like a grande Pike Place with 2 creamers and 7 pumps of vanilla because sometimes it be a little bit too tart. Last night, so real quick. So last night I went to go pick my son up from work. And so as I was parking my car, you know, me personally, the reason why I don't have any pets or any dogs is because I don't want to clean up behind them. I just don't want to. I was sitting in my car and I watched this guy come out. He walked his dog, and we have baggies where you're supposed to pick up your dog's poop. So anyway, he let the dog poop. He looked at it and went back in. And my thing is this: if you don't want to pick up your dog's poop, you don't need a dog, because that's a part of your responsibility. Because first of all, he let the dog piss in front of the building, which made me really upset. And I was like, and I looked at my son, we both looked at each other, and he just walked away. And he let the dog just do what he do. And I was like, really? I want a dog. But I know it comes with a lot of responsibility. And I'm too busy and I'm always working, so that is not going to work for me. Oh, y'all, so look at that blemish. It will not go away. I've been trying to get this thing to go away, and it will not. Anyway, I'll see y'all later.
Like you're supposed to.
Recording now? Hey y'all, this is maculatelife, and this is Grandma, and this I'm Makai Brennan. She's my grandma, and I'm her grandbaby. Be sure to subscribe, comments, or be sure to share or like or thumbs down.
Thumbs up!
I mean, thumbs up and dislike or something.
Y'all better not thumbs down. You need y'all to get thumbs up.
Yeah. By the way, we're just gonna stay home until you're gonna see some family members. I think you already know this. Evada and probably Mariah, I think. But yeah. So
What you eating?
So this is from the video from spring break. I still have more buffalo sauce, fries, chicken nuggets, and this is my new drink. I got lemonade. By the way, y'all have fun. Let me introduce the video.
I already did.
Oh, you already did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. So we'll see you on the next clip.
Okay.
All right. Remember that?
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, we just got in the house.
Yep.
I had a tuna fish sandwich.
And I just told y'all, she's having Pepsi, and we're both having Doritos. What's the flavor called? They're called Spicy Sweet Chili. Have you ever tried that? Anyway, y'all go ahead and have fun, and we'll see you on the next clip. Peace.
Hello, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back. It is Sunday, and right now I am getting ready to make my grandson some noodles. I want to show you all a new bag that I got. He's trying to get on camera, y'all, but I gotta show y'all this bag first. I'm about to make him some noodles. That's what he said he wanted for lunch, but I wanted to show y'all this bag first before. So I got this really cute bag from Aldo. It is so cute. At first I thought it was white and I was a little disappointed, but then I started looking at it and I started liking it even more. So let me show y'all. This is from Aldo. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me pull it back so y'all can see. The lighting is just completely off to me. Let me see if this is... Okay. So I want to show y'all what it looked like. This is it. And it has a zipper in the back. It's actually a crossbody bag. I wanted to get something different. I think I'm gonna be doing this for the summer. So it's like this, and then you turn it and it unlatches. So, and it unlatches like that. It opens like it has a nice flap to it. The chain is a little bit longer. And of course the paper inside, it has some compartments. It has some compartments on the inside, a pocket, and a zipper compartment. And y'all, it is so cute. So I can either carry it like this or I can carry it as a crossbody bag. But it is so nice. I really like it. Yes. But I think I'm gonna do this for the summer. It is so cute. It's like a light gray. I will leave a link in the description box. It's so cute. I love it. I fell in love with it. I really was looking for like a white bag. So I'm gonna go back and see if I can find something in white. Because I plan on going somewhere for my birthday, and I want me a nice white bag that I can carry around the whole time that I'm there for, you know. But anyway, so I'm getting ready to end this vlog, and I'm going to start another one tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to make some noodles. Actually, I'm gonna turn those on. He said he likes some noodles and he want a little hot sauce in it. Y'all, let me tell you something. This grandma thing. It's good, it's fun, but when I tell you, I think about how my kids were small and little, and girl, I don't wanna, But yeah, so just the thought about it, just thinking about it, it's crazy. I am somebody's grandma. I have 2 grandkids, and guess what, y'all? I also have one on the way. See, I didn't tell y'all that because I was gonna wait, but yeah, I also have a grandbaby on the way. So I'm excited about that. So I'm gonna have 3 grandbabies, and I look good. Don't to it. But anyway, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. And Dinka, you wanna say something to the vlog? He's in there playing the game with my son. So well, anyway, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, turn your notification bells on so that way you know I drop that video. And don't forget to leave your comments, questions in the description box. And like I said, I will link this handbag. So I'll talk to you all later, and I hope y'all have a great weekend. Bye, y'all.